Bernie, Arthur, and Ken believed in giving back to our communities. This is something that is a focus at Team Depot every single day of the year.
Bernie and Arthur and myself and the whole board of directors, we're very involved in charities where we live.
We kind of vowed that we would treat people the way we wanted to be treated.
But also, it's great to, take off our aprons and go in the community and represent our company, represent ourselves.
And I think that spills over. I think that sets a tone and that sets a tempo for everybody else to key in on.
Skiing to me is freedom because it allows me to access things I can't get to. I served in the 2nd Infantry Division with the 44th Engineer Battalion. We would mine detect, look for booby traps, #1 threat in Iraq, and my job was to find those. May 5th, 2007, I wasn't even supposed to be on that mission. I volunteered and we found 2 IEDs. And just missed the 3rd one. They set it off and came through the side of the truck, and I don't remember any of it. My first memory after getting hit was I had covers all the way up to my chest, and lifted up my blanket and saw I had no legs left. And I'm the luckiest man on earth. I got to come home. I met my wife right after I got hurt. And, she's definitely the reason why I'm doing so well. So the current home I'm living in now is like every other Colorado home around here. It's on the side of a hill, side of a mountain. Not exactly the best thing for wheelchairs. I've fallen out of my chair shoveling snow. I've flipped over in my laundry room countless times. Flipped over in my bathroom from catching my chair on the door jams. These homes in Colorado are not built for guys like me. And working with Tunnels to Towers and with their partners and Home Depot, they build homes for men like me with disabilities. They customize it to you, to what you want and what you need. They put me on property that is to die for. You guys move mountains, and I'm very grateful and honored to be a recipient and getting a home that's built for me specifically, for my needs, is a pretty unbelievable opportunity. This new property is located up in Summit County. The amount of time I'm gonna be able to spend with my family on the mountains is gonna quadruple. Skiing is a huge part of my family. We definitely connect as a family on the mountains. That's how I am normal. There's no limitations for me. They get to see me in an element where Dad doesn't need any help or at all. Dad can be Dad. After every time we go up skiing, we stop by our property that's been bought, and I think about how I fought for our freedom and for freedom of others, and I am in awe of the group of people that are willing to give back to me and give me back a slice of my own freedom.
We're doing something so different than anybody else.
And making a difference in the lives of the people that are in their community, it's an awful big part of the culture of this company.
And I think the thing that I am the proudest of is that this company has a great mission of charity.